We're going to be over at Play City at the Pastime Park Thursday morning for the steam show. They're having their opening ceremony, and I'd like to show some primitives. This cooking thing for the hogs is marked $30. Some really high-end stuff mixed in here, believe it or and clean and brushed. Some collections. President of the Miami Valley Steam Treasure Association. Some cool stuff. Tables full of this stuff. Specialty. So we just had the national anthem and they said a prayer for the opening ceremony. Beautiful hatchet collection. A lot of Boy Scout ones, specialty. Even a couple souvenir ones in here. Machetes, hammer, tack hammer. Some pretty interesting hatchets in here. Over here we have a cast iron collection. Some cornbread. And yeah, you see guys using these at the show. They put their coals on the top. They camp out here the whole time. So I've been to over 20 of these, and some of them have traditional, and they have the ice cream machine go on, making homemade ice cream. They're out looking to complete their collection. License plates galore from all states. Some large cast iron. Erie over there. Check this out. It's pretty cool. Iron collection. The Amish use these to stay warm in their buggies with. They take one to bed with them to stay warm. These are getting pretty expensive anymore. That one's $35. A wheel hoe. So yeah, this stuff's priced to move. That's what the railroaders used. Yeah, several railroad tools, some axes, double bit axes. She has this rice boat over here. And I've seen people picking stuff out of here earlier. That's called a rice boat. They probably use them in Asia or even Arkansas. Those are for leading. melting lead, some old coils, the Model Ts, to tune up your Model T tacks, for your horse tack, more license plates, some ammo boxes, vintage luggage at 40. Maybe this will fill in more tomorrow. We could change it today. Yeah, I was here even before the opening ceremony. And I learned last year at the State Fair, you don't come to a show till after lunch, basically, for the people. This one's at 40 bucks for the bolt bin, which is excellent value because it's made out of steel versus plastic. A jewelry display. Going to be hard for it to show up a coin collection. Some beautiful minerals, some crystals, more minerals, polished minerals, some hematite, pretty nice. It's for jewelry makers. Some turquoise over here.
Don't miss the good stuff here. It's all Zuni and Navajo.
Stuff gets expensive.
Oh yes. More stuff from $12 to $700-800.
Where's your next show at?
Just north of here. What's it called? Just north of 04.
Richwood?
Richwood.
Thanks.
Dad got it. Dad was ready to retire. Brother was just putting up.
More minerals. Buffalo. Some turtles. More turtles. Kind of a jade looking. It is jade, okay. Solid jade turtles. Wow. Wow, looking in there. Check out the copper.
The second biggest one.
Some
They don't find them that
fossils.
big very often.
No, I'm kind of glad they don't, really.
Well, they haven't found those regular ones, as they said, 5 million years ago. Probably 8% out of business.
A little different than I remembered it. So this is shark.
Megalodon shark teeth, yes.
Yeah, gigantic. The world's largest shark tooth.
And these are sperm whale teeth.
Wow. How about alligator teeth?
No.
Yeah. An alligator grows 2,000 teeth a year. Is that what they said? It keeps,
I don't know. I
It
haven't
constantly
heard that.
grows them in and
I know
replaces
sharks.
them.
I know sharks do, but I've never heard
Shark
about
does that
alligators.
too. Okay.
Yeah. That's why
Yeah,
you
they-
find them on the beaches. A lot
Okay.
of times, the new
Beautiful.
ones.
Oh my gosh. This is wow. Awesome. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I plan on going to Richwood. I think so, yeah. Weather, have a nice day. Man. So we have a tractor show in Richwood also. Kind of a Goodwill store looking merchandise. This is the gas station, kind of the headquarters for the fairground, or it's called Pastime Park. They're up here for the opening ceremony. There's your announcer guy, the buckboard wagon. Everybody has their golf carts out. The sheriff's here. My friend set up. I went to high school with most of these people, and the people will be here Saturday. So, but we're going to look at some tractor collections. And yeah, I really miss the Danoon Model Ts that used to set up here years ago. We'll end it over here. Take a look at. Wonder if they got the gas pumps out. I thought I would go in there and buy something, so I wasn't going to do a filming, and I was like, I gotta show this on film. Yeah, they got the pumps out. And they put the pumps away for winter. This kind of get the idea of the show here. There's Fred. Is this a Honda? I think it is, yeah. So they're registering what they need to register with the secretary. So they got a couple. It's an old gas station, some sort, here on the grounds. I'd like to have a couple of them even. Collectibles. This guy here will haul you around back to your car if you want. Limo service. Yeah, back here by the gas station. Sometimes even when on my motorcycle, I just go up and buy a sub and come out here to the park and eat it. You can sit under a tree or under the gas pumps, wherever you want. It's a nice campground too. It's pretty popular anymore. I mean, extremely popular. Yeah, it should be. They're all brand new hookups and everything they went through. Over at the Pastime Park in Plain City, checking out the steam show. Thanks for watching, Rippy.